What's up, YouTube? It's for sale here, 90 here, guys. Alright, here we go. Contenders 2-box break. And I always forget which break it is. Break number 6. 2-box break, Contenders break number 6, 10:55 p.m. on Thursday night. The Cowboys spot, we had an unpaid bidder, was a zero feedback. Customer that we've never dealt with before. Yes, everybody's got to start somewhere, but unfortunately, zero feedback and no communication or payment after 24 hours. We gotta let the spot go. So that Cowboys spot went to, I believe it was J Love, something or other. We sent out emails to that effect, so made that clear to everybody. So that spot will be taken by that bidder who's got a couple other spots in the break. So anyway, 2-box break, box 19 and box 20 of our Contender series. We have a 4-box break coming up that's ending, I believe, Friday night or Saturday night. I think it's actually Friday night. That's the last 4 boxes of this case. And then we have a whole nother case that'll be on slate the following week. I believe we have a 2-box break scheduled for, I think, Sunday, which will be break number 6, 7, big break number 8. So anyway, 2-box break. Here we go. Box number 19 of the series, box number 1 of the break, 352 88 67 46. Good luck. Thank you to everybody who joined. And here we go with the break. Evans, Finley, Clark, Floyd, Bush. Got one of them nice packs again with a cellophane, doesn't even say attached. Peterson, Manning, roll call, Ridley, Patriots, Fitzgerald, Rivers. Williams, Palmer. For the Chargers, Curtis Brinkley, rookie auto. Ocho Cinco, Barber. Chargers have been pretty successful pulling hits in these breaks. Always seem to see a couple Chargers autos. Steve Johnson, D'Angelo Hall, legendary Junior Seau, Chargers. Roddy White, Chris Johnson. Cedric Benson, Dwayne Bowe, rookie roll call, Titus Young, Lions, Frank Gore, Wes Welker. Brandon Marshall, Santana Moss, draft class, Vikings, Ponder and Rudolph, Peyton Hillis, D'Angelo Williams. Maliuga, Matt Ryan, rookie ticket auto, Clyde Gates, on-card auto for the Dolphins. Clyde Gates on card. Kenny Britt, Vernon Davis. Sam Bradford, Mario Manningham. For the Chiefs, Shane Bannon, rookie auto. Kansas City, Shane Bannon. Job at Best, Mendenhall. Steven Jackson, Deshaun Jackson, rookie of the year, J.J. Watt. Felix Jones, Percy Harvin. A lot of new products coming out next couple weeks, including National Treasures and Prime Signatures. So we'll be doing all that stuff. Flacco, Greg Jennings, duel for the Raiders, Jones and Moore, Breeze and Orton. Schaub, Freeman, on-card auto for the Lions, Mikel LaShore. Mikel LaShore on-card auto. Jackson, Eli Manning. Lee Evans, Jermichael Finley, rookie ticket, Aldon Smith for the 49ers, numbered 77 of 99. Mercedes Lewis, Kevin Cobb. Matt Castle, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Rookie of the Year, Halou Jr., Sean Green, Dominican Sue, Fred Jackson, Andre Caldwell, Jernigan, and Darrell Scott, draft class, Stafford, Alex Smith, Jenkins, Wayne, auto, Hakeem Ayers for the Titans. Hakeem Ayers, auto. It's our 5th auto. Vincent Jackson, Deon Branch. Vic Colston, Rookie of the Year Contenders parallel, J.J. Watt for the Texans. Numbered 61 of 100. For Watt, Andre Johnson, Dez Bryant. McGahee, Amendola, Larry Fitzgerald, Super Bowl tickets. Cardinals, Brady, Calvin Johnson. Beanie Wells, Michael Bush, Rookie of the Year, Julio Jones. Falcons, Matt Forte and Roethlisberger. Keem Nicks, Bolden, legendary Collinsworth, Wallace, Steve Smith, Henny, Hightower, Watson, Beeson, Hasselbeck, Turner, Thomas, Franco Harris, Super Bowl ticket, Marshawn Lynch, Miles Austin, McCoy, Ray Rice, legendary Deacon Jones, Rams, Mark Sanchez, Maurice Jones-Drew, Aaron Rodgers, Arian Foster, rookie roll call, Randall Cobb, O'Shawn Marino, Sid Rice, Pierre Thomas, Jamal Charles, and a 6th auto, Laquan Williams for the Baltimore Ravens. Laquan Williams, Tony Romo, Santonio Holmes. And we're moving on to box number 20 of the series, box number 2 of the break. 352885791. Here we go. Greg Jennings, Matt Schaub, Rookie of the Year, Aldon Smith, 49ers, Tavares Jackson, Eli Manning, Mike Thomas, LaShawn McCoy, Rookie Roll Call, Jake Locker, Sanchez, Jones-Drew, Freeman, Castle, legendary Contenders parallel, Larry Sanka, for the Dolphins, numbered 47 of 50. Nice parallel hit for Miami. Sean Green, Dominican Sue, Ray Rice, Adrian Peterson, Peyton Manning, Fitzgerald, and Phillip Rivers. Fitzpatrick, Vic, Pierre Thomas, Super Bowl ticket, Andre Johnson, Dez Bryant. Colston, McGahee, legendary Tom Rathman, 49ers. Brady, Calvin Johnson. Amendola, Knicks, rookie roll call, Jamie Harper, Mike Wallace, Steve Smith. Mike Williams, Carson Palmer, draft class, Ponder, and Rudolph for the Vikings. Marion Barber and Ocho Cinco. Anquan Bolden, Aaron Rodgers, Redemption, O'Shawn Marino, Sid Rice. RPS rookie tickets 204. 204. Rookie tickets, 204, Greg Little. So, Greg Little, Cleveland Browns, rookie ticket auto. Brandon Marshall, Santana Moss. Auto for the Cardinals, Robert Hausler. Peyton Hillis, D'Angelo Williams. Maluga, Matt Ryan, Delani Carter, Rookie of the Year. Kenny Britt, Vernon Davis. Steven Jackson, Deshaun Jackson. Playoff ticket parallel, Tom Brady for the Patriots. Numbered 79 of 99. For Brady and the Pats, Felix Jones, Percy Harvin. Lee Evans, Jermichael Finley, Super Bowl ticket, Joe Green, Steelers. Malcolm Floyd, Reggie Bush. Arian Foster, Pierre Thomas. Draft class for the Giants, Jernigan and Darrell Scott. Tony Romo, Santonio Holmes. Dallas Clark, LeGarrette Blount, legendary Emmitt Smith. For the Cowboys, Jay Cutler, Colt McCoy. Darren McFadden, Steve Johnson, rookie roll call, Shane Vereen, Roddy White, Chris Johnson. Jamal Charles, Fred Jackson. On-card auto for the Ravens, Torrey Smith. For the Ravens, on-card auto, Torrey Smith. Nice hit there for Baltimore, Matt Stafford, Alex Smith. D'Angelo Hall, Cedric Benson. Another auto, Joe Lefegid for the Colts. Joe Lefegid for the Colts, rookie auto, Frank Gore, Wes Welker. Caldwell, Jenkins, Rookie of the Year, Blaine Gabbert, Vincent Jackson, and Deion Branch. Reggie Wayne, Beanie Wells, Michael Bush, Matt Forte, Ben Roethlisberger. Dwayne Bowe, Sam Bradford, Tywan Jones, and Denarius Moore. Duel, Javid Best, Rashard Mendenhall. Henny, Hightower, Super Bowl ticket, John Riggins. John Beeson, Matt Hasselbeck. Mario Manningham, Joe Flacco. Ronald Johnson, rookie auto for the Eagles. That one will go to the Eagles, just like the last one that we had. Will go to the team with the logo there. Ronald Johnson for the Eagles. Drew Brees, Kyle Orton. Ben Watson, Michael Turner, legendary Earl Campbell, the Titans, Marshawn Lynch, and Miles Austin. Alright guys, there you go, break number 6, that's it. Got a couple extra autos anyway, nothing huge. That's the end of the break. We have 4 more boxes left in the case, so hopefully we still got some, I believe we still have some case hits available. They guarantee certain number of certain players, so I think there's several of those guys that are still available, so those will be in that last series. And like I said, we have another case of this, so stay tuned. We'll have plenty more breaks. Prime signatures, national treasures coming up soon, within the next week or two, so hopefully we'll see you guys in those breaks as well. Take care. Thank you all very much for joining, and if you have any questions, let me know. Alright, there's your break. Thanks a lot, guys.